Hey everyone, I'm Elisabeth Willers with SERHANT, and I want to welcome you to my video tour of Grasslands Golf and Country Club, one of the Lakeland's most exclusive and vibrant residential golf community. So today I'm going to take you through the beautiful neighborhoods nestled behind these gates, each offering its unique blend of amenities, architecture, and lifestyle. So whether you're searching for lakefront luxury, maintenance-free living, or a sense of community, Grasslands has something for everyone. So let's take a look. Let's begin in the beautiful Show Creek, the first area developed in Grasslands. Here you'll find charming 1- and 2-story patio homes, many offering panoramic golf course views and lake views. Imagine living on a quiet cul-de-sac with mature landscaping and easy access to the 17th and the 18th holes. It's ideal for those who want comfort, style, and a peaceful neighborhood vibe. Plus, you're just a short stroll from the community amenities, including the pool. Like the pool is like right there, and the clubhouse, making social gatherings and recreation a breeze. Next, let's explore Prestwick, known for impressive views of the clubhouse, lakes, and the golf course. Prestwick features spacious homes perfect for families or anyone needing room to spread out. The lawns are expansive and meticulously maintained, echoing the neighborhood's welcoming upscale feel. Here you'll enjoy privacy while staying connected to all that Grasslands has to offer. Truly the best of both worlds. Just behind the 24-hour gated entrance, you'll find Fairway Lakes. Designed custom homes with easy access in and out of Grasslands, perfect for the commuters and busy families. These homes offer classic Florida appeal and are close to walking and biking trails, making it great for the lifestyle. Fairway Lakes is also known for its sense of community and beautifully landscaped surroundings. Now we're at Heritage Lakes, Grasslands' premier custom home neighborhood with 24-hour manned security. If you dream of an estate-sized lot and stunning natural views, this is your destination. Experience sprawling homes with high-end finishes. Think 5 bedrooms, bigger lots, waterfront lots, and all that space you'll ever need. Heritage Lakes blends Florida's beauty with sophistication and remains a top pick for those wanting a private, secure, and prestigious area. This is Laurel Glen. Let's step into Laurel Glen, known for its upscale, maintenance-free villa homes. These homes are either 1- or 2-story residences with open floor plans, award-winning floor plans, standard luxury amenities, and many other breathtaking water or preserved views. It's a favorite for those who want to enjoy Grasslands lifestyle without worrying about exterior upkeep. Modern design and natural beauty combined here. Laurel Glen truly delivers on what buyers want: convenience and elegance. Next, we are in the beautiful Turnberry area. This particular neighborhood is renowned for its elegant homes, many inspired by classic architect, giving the area a unique and timeless charm. You have large windows, spacious layouts, stunning lake and fairway views are standard here, making every home a peaceful retreat. What I love about Turnberry are the beautiful hardwood floors. Last stop is the beautiful Sanctuary, one of Grassland's most prestigious addresses. This exclusive neighborhood features around 46 custom-built homes, each designed with elegance and privacy, and the architecture is very spacious. The floor plans and the courtyards and the finishes are amazing. Many homes in the sanctuary overlook the golf course. It overlooks water views. Grasslands also features other unique neighborhoods like Belle Reve, Turnberry, Muirfield with distinct architecture, floor plans, and views. Whether you're drawn to contemporary, modern, or even Mediterranean-inspired designs, or crave a waterfront retreat with 24-hour security, there's a lifestyle fit for everyone here. So contact Elisabeth Willers with SERHANT. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to hit the like button so you can see more. Next video will be on Grasslands amenities. Thanks for watching and have a great day.